Hey everyone, we're talking about our consent examining program today and we're with our male facilitators on why you should get involved. So, why is talking about consent important?
Talking about consent and sexual relationships is kind of like a really taboo subject, like not only in our culture but in a lot of cultures. So ultimately you end up in a situation where like a bunch of teenagers get sent into university when they think they know what consent is, but sometimes they don't.
Why are the consent workshops important?
I feel like if these students attend these consent is everything workshops, they can gain a wider and updated understanding of what consent really looks like.
They allow people to get a lot wider range of information, especially when coming to uni for the first time, and allows them to meet new people through the workshops as well.
So, what skills have you gained from being a facilitator?
I think the obvious one to say is public speaking, because you are going up in front of an audience and speaking. But I think for me, it's been the facilitation side. With these workshops, you kind of are forced to try and open up a conversation, make it a bit more engaging. So that's really useful.
I feel the skills I've gained this year are facilitation, teamwork, collaboration, and most importantly, public speaking.
If you're interested about being a consent examining facilitator, head to the Trent Students website and get involved.